Hi, and welcome to the Scrapping Studio. My name is Tracy Walker, Creative Memories Advisor in Des Moines, Iowa, and welcome to another episode of Sketch Sunday. Thank you for joining me. If this is your first time, welcome. If you've seen my new videos before, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it. This week, we are going to be on page 46. And then if this is your first time joining, we're working through the 101 scrapbooking ideas and sketches. Now, most of these sketches are 1 pages, and I am converting them into 2 pages. Sometimes I'll do both pages in this segment, but this one was done with Serenity, and these kind of did some lotus flowers and stuff. So I wanted to do it a little bit different, and I'm trying to use up paper that I have. So I have a whole bunch of on the mend paper is what we're using, and I have a whole bunch of on the mend 8x8 as well. So we're gonna kind of adapt the dimensions. So this is a full sheet, but some of it's going to be hidden. So I'm just going to kind of do some cutting. So I'm going to take an inch off of the bottom here. Let's see where it cuts. Yep, that cuts in a good spot. I didn't want it to cut in a weird spot where it cut like the little red off. So this is going to be the top. So this is the base top. And then put that up there for now. And then this is a 2.5-inch strip that's going to go right here. And then we've got, I need an 8x8. So this collection did come in, have 8x8 sheets. And so I have a whole collection of 8x8. That is not it. I am going to need that in a minute, though. Let's see if we can find. I surely did not run out of 8x8. Here we go. Okay. And then this is going to be here like that. And then we have the 8.5 or 3.5 by 5.5 cards. Now we can, for this side, if we wanted to do something a little bit different, and then we get more photos in here for that and make sure we have everything. Let's do that. Let's just make these a little bit. So you got that. Okay, so I'm going to move. I'm going to get this on here even where it's supposed to be. All right. This goes right here, and that's a 2.5-inch strip of the heartbeat paper. Oh, I didn't want that to stick to that right away. All right. That right there. Okay. And then let's get this kind of behind there. We might have to lift it up a little bit to get it down there. It's giving me trouble. The capital T. All right. That looks pretty centered. Okay. Got that. And then the next strip down is going to be this blue again. So I want to make this. What did I say? This was a 3. It was like 3.5. I need this strip. And then, so we're kind of just piecing all the pieces together. All right, so then this will go in here. So this makes it 12 inches. Let's just throw the strip down there. So we're just kind of welding, but we're not welding at the same time. I just have the pieces are big enough that I can just put them on there. Okay, got that. And then this little strip we cut off at the beginning goes right there. Just like that. All right, so now I need, there we go. Need let's find my stash that has all the, I kind of hoarded this because, well, number one, I haven't scrapbooked when I ruptured my Achilles, so I want to do that. I also have children who are in medical professionals, paramedic and nurse, so I want to be able to use some of that as well for them. So, okay. This is going to sit, it sits right there. All right. So, and I've got some leftover MAC cards, and there was one. I got it when I was doing other pages. I like gutted this out so you would still have this part. So I know I've got that. I was gonna set some stuff aside and find that those gutted sheets. Here's one that let's get these put down first for that. So these are perfect for if you've got people who are medical professionals or if you had an accident. Mine was a ruptured Achilles. So I have a lot of pictures from that, from the day that I had the accident and all that fun stuff. So this will have to let's see. I could move this up some more. Right, like that. And you can adjust your photos any way that you want to based on the size that you have. So just because I put these placeholders in here doesn't mean this is how it is going to end up. Okay, there we go for that. And then that's way too big. All right, let's see what we can find. Or it was this one. I wanted to be able to do like cut the clipboard and have it over there. Do I have, yeah, there we go. Well, let's cut. We're gonna kind of fussy cut and cut at the same time. Let's get that cut off. And let's see here what we got. What's nice is you can gut the mats and then kind of save the other sides, and then they don't have to be perfect because you can kind of peek them in the back somewhere. All right, got that. There we go. So then you can have that right there. Perfect, just like that. There we go. And then, what stickers do I have left? I'm going to use the stickers that I have before. Ugh, that's a good one. We can put it right like that, pointing at, and I'll be sure to put something. Oh, and of course I put it down very, very crooked. There we go. I also could put, some more pictures down there, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I think I would rather, let's see, an apple away keeps the doctor, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. All right, let's just kind of a scrap. What do we got here? Got a Band-Aid. Kind of put it up like that, like we have on the other side. Could use this as like a little bit of a journaling box. I feel like I need like something on the other side. Everything's gonna be all right. That doesn't really fit there. What other mat cards? I could do. This could be a journal card. Kind of right there like that. and then do some journaling, and then, yeah, let's put that there. That'd be our journal card, because there will be a lot to say about that accident. And then let's put an RX there, and then pain level, that's a good one. Put that off to the side here like that. Oh, ER. That is perfect because I went to the ER. There we go. Because my foot didn't work, and when I tried to walk, I would fall down. So that was not a good day. All right. Is there any? I know I have more stickers. I have a lot more stickers. I have a whole nother stickers. Let's see. I'll just open them to see what other things they have on there. Oh, it's got x-rays and a boot and an ambulance. I don't want to put all that on there yet. Get well, best stock ever. Owie. Nano Heroes wear capes. I kind of feel like best stock ever. Sick day. It was kind of a variety. I feel like though. Put that right there for that. And then the heart there. Maybe one down here like that. There we go. All right. So we have our 2-page spread. We kind of Frankensteined it, but I think it turned out really good. It's got, let's see if I have it in the frame for you for that. So this is probably one of the quickest ones that I've done because I kind of already planned the other side. So this, what I did is I did take the full sheet and I cut an inch off, and then this is 2.5 inches. This is 3.5 inches, and then kind of piecemealed them back together. And then this is a cutout from a mat. That is a cutout from a mat. So I do have other spaces. If I wanted to add some more photos, I could, but right now I have 4, 5, 6, 7. I have enough for 8, which is great for that. So, well, thanks for joining me for this shortened episode of Sketch Sunday. Join me again next week where I will have another layout. Sometimes I have them planned, and sometimes when I go to do them, I'm like, I'll change my mind. But if you'd like to join me at any of my events or connect with me, I will put all the information you need in the description below. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.